Have you ever wondered how much anxiety affects your daily life? It's a question that many of us might not have pondered, yet the answer is more profound than you might think. Anxiety is a common experience, with many people feeling its effects daily. It's like an unwelcome guest, often showing up unannounced and overstaying its welcome. Anxiety is prevalent, so much so that it's considered the most common form of mental illness in many countries. It doesn't discriminate, affecting people of all ages from all walks of life. But what does this mean for our daily lives? Well, the impact can be far-reaching and varied. When anxiety takes the wheel, simple everyday tasks can become daunting challenges. It can rob you of sleep, making nights long and days exhausting. It can cause your mind to race with a whirlwind of thoughts, making concentration a Herculean feat. It can transform your mood, turning moments of joy into dread. But it doesn't stop there. The effects of anxiety aren't just mental, they're physical too. It can quicken your heartbeat, make your palms sweaty, and knot your stomach. Over time, chronic anxiety can even contribute to more serious health problems such as heart disease and digestive issues. The impact of anxiety extends to our relationships too. It can create a chasm between you and your loved ones, making it difficult to connect, to communicate, to simply be present. It can make you feel alone even when surrounded by a crowd. But here's the thing, as overwhelming as anxiety can be, it doesn't have to take over your life. It doesn't have to be the driver of your journey. There are ways to manage it, to reclaim your life from its grasp. From breathing techniques to medication, from exercise to therapy, there are numerous strategies available that can help you cope with anxiety. Anxiety can have a significant impact, but thankfully, there are ways to manage it. So stick around as we delve into these strategies in the coming scenes, equipping you with knowledge to better understand anxiety and the tools to navigate it. The first step towards managing anxiety is mastering deep breathing and mindfulness. Deep diaphragmatic breathing is a simple yet powerful strategy. It involves inhaling deeply through the nose, holding that breath for a few seconds, and then slowly exhaling through the mouth. This form of breathing helps to calm the nervous system, slowing the heart rate and lowering blood pressure. It's like a natural tranquilizer for the body. Then there's mindfulness. This is the practice of focusing one's awareness on the present moment, while calmly acknowledging and accepting one's feelings, thoughts, and bodily sensations. It's about being fully engaged in the here and now, not lost in worries about the past or the future. Mindfulness helps us to reduce stress by reframing our relationship with our thoughts and emotions. Deep breathing and mindfulness can be powerful tools in managing anxiety. By incorporating them into your daily routine, you can cultivate a more peaceful, stress-resilient mindset. Physical activity and a balanced lifestyle are crucial in managing anxiety. Regular exercise plays a significant role in reducing anxiety. This is because when we exercise, our bodies release endorphins, those natural mood lifters that give us a sense of well-being and relaxation. Moreover, exercise can provide a healthy distraction from fretful thoughts, helping to break the cycle of anxiety. But it's not just about exercise. A healthy lifestyle is equally important. This includes maintaining a balanced diet, rich in nutrients that support brain health and mood regulation. Getting enough sleep is also crucial, as sleep deprivation can increase feelings of anxiety. And let's not forget about caffeine and alcohol. While a cup of coffee or a glass of wine might seem like a good idea at the moment, excessive consumption can actually heighten anxiety levels. In conclusion, a healthy lifestyle complemented by regular exercise can significantly reduce anxiety levels. Positive visualization and setting realistic goals can help reduce anxiety. Let's dive into this. Picture a calming scenario. Perhaps it's a serene beach at sunset, or a peaceful forest filled with the sound of rustling leaves. By imagining these tranquil scenes, you can redirect your thoughts away from anxious feelings and towards positivity. This is the power of positive visualization. It's like a mental retreat, a safe haven you can visit anytime your anxiety starts to spike. Now let's talk about setting realistic goals. Sometimes, anxiety can stem from feeling overwhelmed by large tasks. Here's where breaking things down can help. Take a big task and slice it into smaller, more manageable steps. This way, what once seemed like a mountain becomes a series of small hills, easier to navigate and conquer. By visualizing positive scenarios and setting realistic goals, you can better manage anxiety. So give it a try. Your mind is your greatest ally in this journey. Limiting consumption of stimulants and establishing a routine can help manage anxiety. Stimulants like caffeine are often a go-to for many, especially when feeling fatigued. However, they can contribute to feelings of anxiety and disrupt our sleep patterns. It's like pouring fuel on an already blazing fire. Reducing or eliminating these stimulants, particularly in the evening, can help keep our nervous system on an even keel. Now let's talk about the power of routine. A daily routine provides a sense of stability and predictability. It's like a comforting rhythm that keeps our days in harmony. When we know what to expect, the uncertainties that fuel anxiety are reduced. This routine could be as simple as regular meal times, a specific bedtime, or a morning exercise regimen. Remember, it's not about rigidity, but rather about creating a gentle structure that supports your well-being. Limiting stimulants and maintaining a routine can help reduce anxiety levels. Maintaining social connections and limiting exposure to stressors is vital in managing anxiety. Let's delve deeper into this. We are inherently social beings. Sharing your feelings with someone you trust, or even better, a group of people who are going through similar experiences, can be incredibly therapeutic. It helps you realize you're not alone. Support groups can be a safe space to express yourself, learn from others, and even discover new coping strategies. Now let's talk about stressors. These are situations or people that trigger your anxiety. Identifying these triggers is the first step. Then, where possible, limit your exposure to them. This doesn't mean running away from every challenging situation. Instead, it's about recognizing when something or someone is harmful to your mental well-being and taking steps to protect yourself. Staying connected and avoiding stressors can significantly reduce anxiety. Remember, you have the power to shape your environment and choose who you share your journey with. When anxiety significantly impacts daily life, seeking professional help and considering medication can be beneficial. This is not a sign of weakness, but rather a testament to your strength and willingness to take steps towards improving your mental health. When you're navigating the turbulent waters of anxiety, mental health professionals such as therapists and counselors can be like the lighthouses guiding you to safety. They can provide a safe space for you to express your feelings, fears, and concerns. They can also equip you with effective strategies to manage your anxiety, tailored to your unique needs and experiences. Therapists and counselors use a variety of therapeutic approaches to help you understand and address the root causes of your anxiety. Cognitive behavioral therapy, for instance, helps you identify negative thought patterns and behaviors that may be contributing to your anxiety, and provides you with tools to challenge and change these patterns. In addition to therapy, medication can also play a role in managing anxiety. This is typically considered when the anxiety is severe or when it significantly impairs your ability to function in daily life. Medication isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, but it can be a valuable tool in your mental health toolkit when used appropriately. Anti-anxiety medications, antidepressants, and certain types of beta blockers can help regulate your body's response to stress and anxiety. However, it's crucial to remember that these medications should always be prescribed by a healthcare professional who can monitor your progress and adjust your treatment plan as necessary. It's also important to understand that while medication can help manage the symptoms of anxiety, it often works best in conjunction with other strategies such as therapy, lifestyle changes, and self-care practices. Remember, seeking help is not a sign of defeat, but a step towards victory. It's about taking control of your life and your mental health, and making the choice to move towards a better, more peaceful future. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if anxiety becomes overwhelming. It's okay to reach out. You don't have to face this alone. Let's recap what we've learned about managing anxiety. We discussed the power of deep diaphragmatic breathing and the benefits of mindfulness and meditation.